Tonight we're going to be installing that vintage hanging lamp I rewired a few days ago. It's going to be going here. This is where the cleaning area is. And the ceiling will be a lot nicer soon once I clean it up. As this wire goes away, this wire goes away. This goes away, this goes away. That Romex run goes away. So, and then those two phone wires in the back go away. So the ceiling will look pretty clean once I finish dealing with all that. Kind of a noisy video. I got the laundry running, I got the boiler running. Probably should have timed this out a little better, but oh well. So this is the light I've been using here. This is a 100 watts, at least I think it's 100 watts, metal halide light. And those lights are phenomenal when operating in the person. Unfortunately, the camera does not like them. So this is not going to work here because this is an area where I will be filming quite a lot. So I'm going to put the hanging lamp here instead. So first we need to get this taken down. I'm going to remove the hooks. Now we have a new hook here, which is this one. Can you see that or not? Let's see. This hook, which is a little bit larger than necessary, but I'd rather use this than go out and buy a new smaller one, because that's just stupid. I don't have money to throw around like that. So we'll just use this hook. It'll work fine. Actually, you know what? This might be the ones I used upstairs too. Should kind of be centered with this thing. I'll just reuse this other hole. It's fine. And this is vintage wood, so we don't have to worry about it, you know, getting split up or whatever. It's amazing how much stronger these beams are compared to the ones that were in the old location. I'm having a hard time even screwing this in any further. This is wood from the 1960s. It's good stuff. It's good lumber. Alright. There's the hook. And then we're going to need, actually we're going to need those other two ones. Maybe just one of them. Because we're going to put it over here to hang the wire, and then the wire will just kind of come down and plug in there for now. Eventually it will get unified with a switch, and like I'll put a switched outlet up here, but that's not going to happen today, tomorrow, or next week. So I'll do this for now so that I can use the area. And there's already holes here, so we'll just reuse those. There's the light. I'm going to hang it up now. Take a guess and say maybe it should be somewhere around there. Nope, that's way too low. That laundry machine is starting a little fishy. I know it's a piece of junk, but it doesn't usually sound like that. Almost sound like there's something in there. Alright. So this has a little bit of a crack here, so let's see if I can put that side to the back. That might be too low still. The problem is the thing here is very high up, so even though this is not hanging very far from the ceiling at all, it's going to get in the way. It's actually still too low. I'm going to have to put it up as high as it can go. It's going to have to go like that. The wire, hook the wire up like this, and then it'll just kind of come down here and plug in. Now for the light bulb, that's a whole different story. The light bulb, I think I want to use one of those 150 watts Philips Marathon bulbs, like what I had in the one upstairs in the kitchen. I really like those bulbs. They have good quality of light, and they last a long time. So I'll probably use one of those. I'm not sure where they're at the moment, if they're here or if they're off site. I think they might be off site. But I also might have one here. I try to keep at least one of every type of light bulb on site in case one burns out. This is not ideal. The chain is too long. But I'm just going to kind of bunch it up like that and live with it for now. This plug-in is only temporary. This also is not sweat, which is going to be kind of annoying. Alright, let's go take a look and see what kind of light bulbs I have on hand. This is where the light bulbs are currently residing. You know, actually this might not be a bad option. Let's see, do I have a Philips Marathon circling in here? I don't think so. I didn't expect that I would. Ah! LED! We could use a 200 watts incandescent as well. That would be another option. Yeah, I don't have what I really want to have in there on hand. So I think what I will do for now is I think I'm gonna try this. Oh, what's this? I have two more spare bulbs sitting over here. What is this? Look at that. I knew I would have one. Like I said, I keep one of every kind on hand, on site. This is what I wanted to put in there. This is a great light bulb. It's a very, very great light bulb. It's also very stuck. There we go. So this is the Philips 880N self-ballasted lamp, and it's a marathon circle-line adapter, 32 watts, which, as it said in the box, is a 135 watt equivalent. And it's every much of that. This is a very, very bright bulb. So let's go ahead and screw this in. Very small too for something so bright. And there we go. That's that. Now I might find as I work here that the light needs to go down a couple inches because the shade will be blinding. But then the other problem is that if I put like a 12-inch osculating fan on this table, it might come up to like here. So I don't know how much you can really put it down. So I don't know. We'll have to see. But anyways, it's installed now. Oh gosh, I almost got through the video without any kind of fiasco. It's installed, and I'm going to turn this other light off here. And it's a much more pleasant light, and since it's a high efficiency bulb, I don't mind just leaving it on throughout the evening if I'm coming up here, coming down, up doing laundry or whatever. I really like these hanging lamps. So this is what the whole thing looked like now. Gonna add some ceiling fans, and then it'll feel a lot more homey down here.